everybody, Justin Worden, you're watching What's New in Electronics. It is the final day of SMTA International in Chicago. I got Rick here from Apollo Seika. Rick, how are you today?
Doing well, doing well. The show's been pretty good so far.
Yeah, how's it feel being back in Chicago?
Better, I'm local, so it's nice.
Yep.
Just to live around the lake in Michigan.
Okay, so just a quick drive for you.
Yep.
Close enough to drive, far enough to where you still get to stay in a hotel and
Exactly,
have some fun.
yeah.
So you guys got a booth here, right?
We do, yep.
So for those that are watching this, they're learning about Apollo Seika for the first time. What do you guys truly specialize in?
A couple of different things. I guess we specialize in contact soldering. We've been doing for 50 plus years, which is a resistance iron tip and solder wire feed. So then it kind of evolved into non-contact, which is diode laser soldering, microelectronic soldering, very, very fine component type sizes. And recently we introduced an induction soldering system too.
So let's talk about the induction soldering. Is that something that you're seeing start to grow here in the North American market?
It's a new technology here in the U.S., and so we're starting to see, we're testing on a lot of different samples for customers. They like the idea of non-contact technology and just the ability to be able to heat up the components and not damage any adjacent components, very localized heating. So yeah, it's new. We're just working on selling our first couple of them, but I haven't sold any yet, but I'm getting closer, I believe.
Well, it's one thing about this industry, it's very technically advanced. There's a lot of movement, but the engineers they resist change, right?
Guaranteed,
it's not how they've always done it, but it's one of those things where the boards are getting more complicated, so the process has to improve.
Yeah, when we first started doing this a long time ago, I mean, people were hand soldering still. There's still some today, but very hard to find a good hand soldering operator. So yeah, it's evolved and it's coming a lot better with the non-contact options that we provide. Doing really well in the medical industry, microelectronics, and automotive is our backbone. We've been doing that for a long time.
Yeah, automotive is just so wild because people talk about the electronic vehicles and they think that the electronic manufacturing industry only works with EVs, but it's not. I mean, the gas-powered vehicles have not as many, but they have a lot of electronic components as well.
Oh, guaranteed. Yeah, we've been in the regular automotive market for the last 25 years, so we solder a lot of the power distribution modules in all of the different vehicle platforms, EV as well as gasoline powered for sure.
Well, Rick, I mean, people want to learn about the new technology that's coming out. How can they get a hold of you or Apollo Seika?
ApolloSeiko.com is our website. That would be the best way, just to go on our website. We have an info site there and no problems at all.
All right, Rick, I better let you get back to your booth.
Cool, thanks a lot.